Cities are becoming smarter and they're redefining how we can coexist with nature. With fresh ideas and eco-friendly solutions, the next generation of cities promise a thriving future for everyone. Welcome to The Exchange from our studio in Doha. Coming up on this episode, we speak with Jamil Ahmad, Director of Intergovernmental Affairs at the United Nations Environment Programme, about what it takes to be called a smart city. And we get insights from Yoshik Kang, CEO of Seoul Digital Foundation, about the best strategies for digital transformation. Well, before we explore smart cities, let's first take a look at what defines a city. According to the United Nations, a city is classified as a densely populated area. Today, more than half of the world's population is living in cities, and this number is expected to reach 70% by 2050. This growth shows the need for smart and sustainable solutions to tackle consumption challenges. In 2024, the global smart city market was valued at $1.8 billion. According to President's research, that figure is expected to reach nearly $14 billion by 2034. And by 2030, the International Energy Agency says renewable energy is expected to provide nearly half of the world's electricity. Solar power will lead this change, making up 80% of the new renewable energy capacity. This shift is important for reducing reliance on fossil fuels. Well, urban planning isn't just about making a city livable, it's also about making them thrive. And for that to happen, sustainable development and technology must go hand in hand. I spoke to Jamil Ahmad, Director of Intergovernmental Affairs at the United Nations Environment Programme, who shared deeper insights about the role technology plays.
Addressing environmental crisis at city level is crucial because a majority of people today in the world live in urban areas, and cities can play a critical role in it, critical part in it through innovation, through sustainable practices, by employing new technology, solar energy, wind energy and other modern renewable energy systems can be localized at cities and urban centers. Vienna's Smart City Initiative is a good example. This is a strategy which aims at climate neutrality by 2040 through cutting of greenhouse gas emissions and also reducing the material footprint of the city.
Here in Qatar, the digital transformation has been quite phenomenal. In just over a decade, the country has developed 2 smart cities, revolutionized its public transport system, and heavily invested into smart nation platforms. With these investments expected to hit nearly $6 billion in 2026, our reporter Mohammed El-Lashi examines how Qatar is tapping on international expertise to help steer its policies.
Hi Laila, I'm at Mishera Properties, a real estate and development company with innovation and sustainability at its core. This exciting company has transformed urban living in Qatar using intelligent designs, proving that modern technology can harmonize with nature.
More than just unique buildings, this project fosters a lively community of retail, business, and residential units that optimizes eco-friendly resources like solar energy.
If you fly over Msharab downtown Doha, you will see it is full of solar panels and PV panels, installed on all the roofs. We focus on how the city would be smart and sustainable. We take care of the design of the buildings, the elevation of the buildings, and the facade of the buildings. What people don't see that we have another city below our city. All the functions of the devices being separated over the cities is being connected to our central command center. We monitor every single aspect around the city.
Next, we head over to QSTP, Qatar Science and Technology Park. It's here that we find Iberdrola Innovation Middle East, a pioneering research and development center from the Spanish multinational electrical utility. The center aims to enhance battery storage solutions, working to reshape the energy landscape.
The products that we develop here in Qatar are applied worldwide. What we do is to develop and apply artificial intelligence-based solutions to enable this energy transition. What we have done is a tool that allows the sizing and the operation of batteries in a way that we optimize the use of these batteries to enable more integration of renewables and more integration of demand.
As Iberdrola powers the next generation of renewable energy, Together with Mishera Properties, they join a global movement for a smarter, greener tomorrow.
When it comes to building smart cities, South Korea has one of the most highly connected populations in the world. Innovation has been a key driver of the digital transformation of the capital city Seoul and others like Busan and Songdo. I spoke to Yoshik Kang, the CEO of Seoul Digital Foundation, who told me how artificial intelligence helps to enhance the lives of city residents.
Smart city is not only about the technology. It is about including everyone with technology, like saying AI in all in AI. AI technology make a big impact on both industry and our lives. We enhance the citizen life convenience by gathering good data. The quality of life and the pattern is changing with AI. To build smart city with us, we must run fast and learn fast.
Now it's time for our regular feature, Business in 60 Seconds. Start the clock. Tesla is preparing to release its fourth quarter earnings report for 2024 as CEO Elon Musk hints at the development of a new, larger vehicle. With the Model X being the only option for families needing more than 4 seats, the upcoming Robovan concept aims to address the needs of larger groups. LVMH is gearing up to announce its fourth quarter 2024 financial results after securing a 10-year sponsorship deal with Formula One. This partnership will cover the luxury conglomerate's renowned brands, including Louis Vuitton and Tag Heuer, replacing the high-end Swiss watchmaker Rolex's sponsorship. And Microsoft is getting ready to announce its second quarter 2025 earnings report as the tech giant continues to strengthen its security standards after the impact of the global CrowdStrike IT outage last July. The company is focusing on new initiatives and advancements in cybersecurity and artificial intelligence. From London to Seoul, investments in renewable energy are on the rise to meet growing energy demands. And while each city is unique, it's clear that there's an increasing need for the adoption of smart applications and sustainable solutions. And while many smart cities of the world are in developed countries, Qatar is a prime example of how an ambitious and empowered nation has become a success story for other developing countries to follow. Well, that's all the time we have for on this edition of the show. Thanks for watching. Please do check out yournews.com for all your latest business news and join us again next time on The Exchange.